Damn it! Does your table look like this? This is bullshit. Then you need the crash cart. So here we got this baby. She's all loaded up. She's ready to work. Got a power strip right here. You plug all your accessories in that you need. And once that's done, all you have to do is manage one power cord. Now this unit will let you roll to wherever you're working. But we move a lot when we're working. We're not sitting at one bench all day. You know, we gotta be able to move. We gotta be mobile. And I don't wanna take the time to get set up at every single different place or constantly be searching for grinders and searching for tools. I just roll this next to me and I'm ready to rock and roll. So check it out. What's up guys, Justin here with Crash Fab, and I wanted to show you guys something new we just built. So I've been calling this the Crash Cart. Basically this is the last cart you'll ever own. I got a couple different versions of it coming out. This is going to be more of the fabrication style is what I built here. I also have one more geared towards mechanics, and that's kind of like fully modular, so you could actually do kind of a mix of both worlds. But so let's talk about this cart today. This whole cart is built out of 10 gauge steel, which is like 0.135 thick steel, American made, laser cut, formed, and this has got our straight legs on it, so it's 1.5 inch, 120 wall legs, and 4 casters. These are all American made casters. They support about 300 pounds, and so you can put a lot of weight on here, you know. We haven't been able to overload it yet, but that's going to be one of the videos and tests we're going to do here in the future, see how much weight we can actually put on here. So look forward to that. Let's talk about how this came to life. So usually our station looks like this. You know, you got a bunch of crap everywhere and you're working on something, you're working in the vise. Okay, I need a grinder, and you grab it, and usually half the table comes with you. But even if it doesn't, I mean, this is not a workable situation. There's shit everywhere, none of it wants to stay on the table, and it's very unproductive. So that brought me to phase 2 of my design. I built this guy. It was pretty cool. Basically, you throw your grinders on there, right? I had a pretty nice organized system. I still found a shortfall of that is one, I can't take this anywhere. It's heavy, it's awkward, and I still was running into problems with the cords. I'd grab a cord, go over here to work, and the rest of the cord would stay there because I leave them plugged in on a power strip, because that way I don't have to change cords. So I was like, damn, this thing needs wheels. That takes us to the Crash Cart. Okay, so I got the tool cart kind of loaded up with the general loadout that we use here at the shop a lot. This is a full loaded cart. So you've got basically a full fabrication station on wheels. And all you'd have to do is just, you know, have this one cord, and you can roll this thing out right up next to your work area, get positioned, you got everything you need, you know. You got your grinders, you know, welding hood, gloves, you know, you got a little table here with all your stuff, and you're ready to get after it, ready to get to work. That's the Crash Cart. You guys know you need one, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the initial release of this on Black Friday 2022, and I'm going to put 3 different models on there. They're currently at laser, and we'll have them in a couple weeks and ship them out to you. You should have them before Christmas. So that's kind of the plan, and let me know what you guys think, and if there's any specific accessories you'd like to see on this thing, let us know, and we're gonna get this thing whipped out. Thanks guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow more of our content on Instagram and on YouTube. America, fuck yeah!